How to unblock Cloudflare on Chrome. So if you're being blocked by Cloudflare on your Google Chrome, it usually means your IP or browser activity triggered a security check. So one of the first things you're gonna do is, of course, just try refreshing your Cloudflare. And if you are gonna get a CAPTCHA, make sure you actually do it properly. And if that doesn't work, you can try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. So you can do it directly in the top right corner, and then go ahead to the browser's settings. So from there, go ahead to your privacy here, and then go ahead to security. What you're gonna do now is just clear like so, clear all previously allowed sites, go back to privacy as well, and then clear these other options, clear your browsing data and your cookies as well. Also, make sure you have disabled any kind of VPNs or proxies or even suspicious extensions, since Cloudflare often blocks traffic that looks automated or comes from shared IP addresses. But if the issue continues, you can try switching networks, like using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi, or a different kind of Wi-Fi to get a new IP address, or just restart your router. You can also try flushing your DNS by opening up your command prompt. You can go ahead and search for that in your search bar, and then you're gonna have to go ahead and type in ipconfig slash space slash flush DNS, like so, and then go ahead and press on enter. It should sometimes take some time, but ours finished pretty quickly for some reason. And then you can relaunch your Chrome, and make sure your time and date on your system are also correct. Make sure it's on automatically and whatnot, and then update Chrome to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues if that is possible. If you are still blocked, the restriction may be set by the website itself using Cloudflare, so you may need to contact the site owner or wait until your IP is unblocked. But those are a few options you can do if you want to unblock your Cloudflare on your Chrome. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.